Hello everyone, this is Farhan from FarhanReviews.com, and in this very short video but an important video, I'm going to show you, introduce you to a product called YT Evolution by this guy here called Chris Sterenberger. This is a guy I've promoted his stuff before, and his stuff is normally and always is rock solid. He gives excellent backup. The training is well made, the plugins and apps are well made. I think for the past year, 2 years, I've bought all of his products because I know that everything he delivers is going to be top notch. Excuse me. Now this product's been out for about I'm going to say 3 weeks to maybe a month. I mentioned a video at the beginning. I got delayed and I just didn't get around to doing it. But I thought I had to do at least a couple of minute video today because on the by the end of tomorrow, I believe, the 30th of November, because I'm recording on the 29th, the price is going to double because it's going to go and it's going to be taken off sale by the end of tomorrow until the official full launch early February in 2021. This was only available to the Facebook members group at first, and I think 500 plus people bought it within no time because people in the group, we know that Chris delivers good stuff, and this is, I think, probably the best thing, the best WordPress product he's delivered. And I've actually installed it on a couple of sites, and I thought, we'll see how it goes. And I checked within 2 weeks, I was ranking on I think it was a completely brand new URL, a new site. I was ranking for these keywords. So let me tell you what it's all about. So what it basically is, it's a WordPress plugin, and which is a theme and a plugin, but it's different to the normal WordPress plugins. I've got plenty of WordPress plugins that do similar things where they bring in videos from YouTube, they put it on your own site, but this has got a different spin on it where it brings in the videos and it allows you to remove the links and do all that stuff, and then it brings in the featured image, and let me see if it gives you yes, you pick your videos, you monetize your site. So in this example, he's shown a VPN YouTube channel here with all these videos, and he's turned it into a fully featured website like this, where each video is turned into a post. All of the text is here. He's put some VPN ads on here. I think this is one of the case study videos he put in the training where he actually started making money off this. So this literally took him, I'll be generous, I'll say half an hour, but it's probably less. It's just a case of getting the domain, getting the hosting, installing WordPress, and then using the plugin and the theme inside the training, and uploading that to the WordPress site, and then you get your YouTube API key, which shows you how to do, and you basically pick your channel or channels or videos, and it will upload them all at a certain time and date and so on, and it will upload them to your site as if they're real proper legit posts. And then what you do with this is it gives you an opportunity to rank these sites easily with pretty unique content and good content, and you can spin it on all that if you want as well. And then you can monetize the site. With some members in the group use AdSense and got their sites approved. Most people use affiliate offers and Amazon products and so on, like here. So here's a pure, I think it's a pure VPN offer. And in this other website, he's turned a fitness playlist, he's turned a fitness video playlist into a fitness website. Now I've got several domains that will work brilliantly with this, but I'm just not going around to making the content, writing the posts and so on. But this is an amazing way just to get the content ranked, the site ranked, and then you can start working on additional proper handwritten content or bought purchase content and so on. This is one of his own YouTube channel sites, local client site, which works really well. And he's put anyone can do this, which is true. It's very easy to do, easy ranking. He's showing an example here. That VPN site was ranking after 3 days. Yeah, so you put a picture on video site like this one with 40 posts ranking in Google in just 3 days, which is amazing. And he's continued to post examples in the group of how it works. And I'll show you here. So actually the price now, as it mentioned here, the price now I believe is still $97. And with that you get a full commercial license as well. Now the price, he said, he actually posted a message, I believe it was this morning, it will be doubling in February. So after the 30th of November, the price will be doubling to $197. And I think you'd have to pay additional for commercial and so on. But because he released it, see I've got extended license here. So he released it as a tester product to the group first. And I think he was actually number one on Warrior Plus for a couple of days. So it's impressive. I mean, it's a quality product. And with Chris, you know, his training's unbelievable. So there are some FAQs. Do you need your website hosting? Yes, but he gives you full training. What are the benefits? I mean, essentially you're on the property, so you know the benefits. Is it a WordPress plugin? Yes, it is. It's a video theme plus 2 premium plugins. There's a curator and the Evo plugin. You need a Google API, shows how to do it. So you get the YT Evolution WordPress theme, the plugin, and the curator plugin in one bundle. And with Chris, you get a rock solid 30-day money back guarantee. And there is an upsell which I purchased, which is it's slightly more black hat, so I wouldn't recommend it for everyone. But it's called Evo Cloaker. Now I can't click on any of these because it will give my serial away, but this I believe is also $97, but it's also going to be going up to $197. This is a sneaky way to rank your pages in Google, but then you can divert them to affiliate offers. So the Googlebot will see a normal page. When a real IP comes to that offer, it will divert them to any location you want them to go to. It's sneaky, a little bit black hat, but he's shown with proof that it works. So yeah, that's really good. So right now, it's going for the original, I'd say, beta price of $97. Now, do not pass on this one. Even just try it for 30 days. I guarantee you, pretty much any, not obviously a really difficult niche, but any other niche, you're going to see stuff ranking in Google. And for a $97 investment and with minimal work, you can have a ranking website. You can even flip those sites. So I mean, the possibilities for this are pretty endless because you can do so much with it. I mean, I think I spent half an hour less. I created about 4 sites, and I went into the details. I put the tracking in my AccuRanker tracking service, and I saw a lot of the posts were getting traffic, and not only that, they were ranking in Google. So it's all good. I'm not going to show you any of my sites right now, but I'll show you his sample site. So this is a site called extremesurvival.net, and he's gone to some survivalist channels and he's taken the either playlist or the whole channel or certain videos, and you can see it's like any other normal website. Okay, he's not put ads on it yet because I think he's just keeping it. He's trying to show it as an example. But what you could do actually, there's a new feature he added recently. You can remove all the links from the post, or you can add your own links to all the posts. Or obviously, it's like any other WordPress post, you can go in and add your own links. So if, for example, this one here, so these links here, you can make them your own links. Oops. So you can make these your own links. That'll go to your own affiliate offers and so on. But this looks like a normal legit website, and this stuff really works. And it will continually go out and pick up new videos. You can add as many channels and playlists and stuff as you want, and you can have a hefty website with very minimal work. And top 5 revolvers 2020, yeah, not for the UK. And yeah, I mean, honestly, I was blown away with how easy it's set up, how easy it's to use. And because he put it in that beta phase first, I think there's been about 4 or 5 revisions already. where he's added features. So you can actually ask him to add features, and he will look into it and get it done ASAP. So please, guys, link is in the description below. I haven't got a review page made for it yet. I'll probably make that page when it's ready for full release in early February. But the link below will take you to the offer, the limited time offer. Please make sure you buy it by the end of the 30th of November. And bonuses, I'll throw some bonuses in there. I'll put some WordPress plugin bonuses, some WordPress training videos. I'll put a bundle of stuff together anyway. And also, I've got a complete WordPress training course that I'm working on. And it should be ready in a couple of weeks. So I'll give you completely free access to that as well. And yeah, click on the link below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.